Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, yesterday guys we have discussed that market probably should show some retracement to the downside because the price action that was on the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, was not quite in a row with the upward and bullish mood if market really would like to show the upward action, because the price behavior that market has shown yesterday stands not quite in agreement in a row with the normal behavior that market should show if it really intends to continue move higher. And that's why yesterday we have said that probably the odds suggest that market probably will show some downward splash, and we have got this. So now market shown move to the downside. In fact, now we are watching for the possibility to take the long position, because the nearest destination point of this ABCD pattern to the upside stands approximately around 138.50 area, and market has chances to reach it. Well, on the daily time frame chart, there's not much to comment. We see just the first leg to the downside. In fact, on the weekly time frame chart, this looks like the some kind of the flag pattern or something of that sort, if you'll take a look at the weekly time frame chart. Also guys, here we've got this bullish stop grabber, so you can see that market has hit MACD predictor line but closed above it. So during yesterday's trading session, market has tried to shift trend to the bearish side, and in fact somewhere inside of the previous session the trend was bearish, but by the end of the trading session at the close, market has returned right back up and closed above it. This situation calls the stop grabber, because those traders who take the position on the unconfirmed trend shifting based on the MACD indicator and placing the stops somewhere above these highs now are trapped on the wrong side, because trend still holds bullish. But to be honest, I'm not very fascinating with this pattern right now, because I still think that on the intraday charts we still could get some slightly lower retracement. Market could reach slightly lower level. Retracement could be a bit deeper than just this pattern suggests. This pattern in fact suggests that market should accelerate right back up right now, taking out these highs and continue directly to this area. Well, maybe this will be the case, but by taking a look at the intraday charts on the 4-hour time frame chart action, I'm not sure, because we've got this breakout to the downside. Market has not quite reached the confidence support on the 4-hour time frame chart. In fact, market even hasn't reached the first fib support area. So if we will take a look at the low, it's 136.61. Here is 136.59. So just 3 pips difference between this and the upper border of this confidence support. And take a look at the speed of this action. So you can see that this was really a fast action to the downside. In this case, it really not bad possibility, the chances that market still show another move to the downside before any retracement will happen. Any returning right back will happen. Besides, take a look at the targets. The first target is 1618 extension of this minor retracement, because I suggest that we can't exclude that on the hourly time frame chart market could form something of the butterfly buy, for example. So if market this will be the initial swing of the butterfly, market could form small butterfly that will reach this area, approximately 136.40. Another target is 1618, is the target of this retracement. So as I said yesterday, I'm not the big fan of the butterflies on the top, but still you could treat it as the butterfly, right? So that is left wing of the butterfly, that's right wing, and you can see that this move down was really fast. That's why when butterflies shows this fast action, it tells that odds suggest another leg of the continuation to the downside. Finally, we have this A, B, C top pattern. So market now has hit the 100%, but this also was really fast, And 1618 extension of this ABCD pattern stands right here, in agreement with the all other targets and in agreement with the confidence support. Besides, take a look that approximately this area coincides with the 50% support of the whole move up on the daily time frame chart, and the 50% level is the one that your currency likes most of all others levels. So euro currency, as you know, we have seen this many times when euro currency shows precisely the 50% retracements. Taking into consideration all these moments, guys, I still think that it's really the probability, the odds still on the side of the possible another leg down rather than on the side immediate returning right back up and continuation to the upside. Of course, we can't exclude the such sort of action, right? So see this plunge down, fast return right back up and continuation. Here we also could get it, but we should take a look at the markets from the on the probabilities. We should judge the situation from the probabilities point of view, and from the probabilities, fast action always suggests some another leg of minor continuation, just to fade down the existing downward momentum. So because market just can't turn to the opposite direction immediately, it's like train, so it can't stop just in the blink of an eye and start to move in the other direction. It needs some time to break. That's something of that sort. So market needs some space, some room to fade the existing downward momentum, and this could happen by this final move to the downside. Well, that's the moment that I would like to see, and I will be watching for on the euro currency. So I think that we will see some at least minor leg to the downside, and later we will see what will happen after that. That's in fact our object to watch for in the nearest trading sessions.